Hey, what's up everybody? It's Craig from Flying Wheels. Today is by far my most favorite post I've ever made. Why? I think it's obvious. I'm sitting in a lounge chair in front of a pool behind a beach in St. Lucia. This is my vacation. Is it a vacation? Yes, I'm on vacation, but I'm still working. Making this video means I'm still working. So by you guys watching this video means I'm making a little bit of money, 0.00007 cents per view, so it's not a ton of money, but it's still a business expense. So I'm on vacation working. I've already sold a car today too, so I have somebody helping me out at my shop. I paid Verizon for my cell phone service to make sure it's working while I'm in the Caribbean. I'm getting my calls, I'm getting my texts, I'm answering my phone, I'm responding to emails, all at the luxury of sitting in a lounge chair with a butler serving me drinks. Butler, yes, a penthouse suite overlooking the ocean with a butler that brings me everywhere I want to go. Well worth every penny. And why? Because I'm a business owner. Because I'm a business owner makes a lot of it an expense. Now, before you just dive in and say, yeah, everything I do is an expense, speak to your accountant, find yourself a CPA, make sure you're doing the right thing because you do not want to mess with the IRS. However, with that being said, everything I do, in generally speaking, with parentheses and quotes around it, is an expense for the most part. Again, speak to an accountant about most of those because I do before I do any of this stuff. But today, I sat in a chair, I posted ads on my computer. I responded to emails, I answered phone calls, I responded to text messages, I posted on social media. All of those things help me make money, and when you make money, that means you're in business. When you're in business, there's a cost of doing business, and with a cost of doing business comes a tax expense, which means a deduction. If it costs money to make money, then you have to deduct that cost. So here I am working. I could be doing this in my office, or I could be doing it in a lounge chair overlooking the ocean. I chose to overlook the ocean, doing what I want to do. So I have somebody helping me out back in the cold, back at home. They already sold a car for today, which means I did make some money. I made some money while I'm sitting in my chair. There is no better feeling than selling a car when you're not there and you're on vacation. It's amazing. Life is great, and my high is real high. So we always talk about those real high highs and those real low lows. Today's a real high high. All is very good right now. I got a girl in a bikini sitting next to me. I got the pool, I got drinks, I got a swim-up bar and a little wind to keep me cool. I'm not bragging, I'm sharing the experience. So all of these things are possible if you run a business, if you own a business, if you do things the right way. Again, speak to a professional, speak to somebody that can tell you how to do these things and expense it and write it off the appropriate way, because you don't want to mess with any government, you don't want to mess with any IRS, you don't want to get yourself in trouble. So make sure you're doing things the right way. But it is possible to, what's the difference between me sitting in a desk and me sitting in a chair? If I'm on a computer, I'm doing my work, I'm doing what needs to be done to make money, I'm still making money, right? Well, it costs me money to make money. I'm here on vacation, I'm looking at cars, I looked at a GTR, I looked at a BMW, I'm in a Caribbean island looking at right-hand drive cars that I can't find in the States. So if I find a car here that I love, I can have it shipped back, and I already have people that absolutely love right-hand drive GTRs and right-hand drive S15s or S13s or S40s that you can't buy out at home. So here I am doing my work, loving what I do in general, still hustling even though I am on vacation. Let's talk about the bads of being on vacation when you're a business owner. I'm not 100% on vacation. So when people are on vacation from their 9 to 5, they are on vacation. They are 100% into this job. Let's show the girl behind me so you can see her while we're working. Make this video a little more entertaining. Say hi. There it is. Okay, she hates being on TV. So if I was working a 9 to 5, I would be on vacation and I'd be 100% in. I'd be all in on this vacation. I wouldn't be making videos. I wouldn't be answering emails. I wouldn't be texting. I wouldn't be responding to phone calls. I would be enjoying every second that I have on vacation. Well, here I am, a business owner, always wondering what's going on, making sure my shop isn't burned down, making sure that everything is running appropriately. So I have to make phone calls, I have to respond to emails. I am not 100% in the game, in the vacation game. I can't always be there. I have to worry about what's going on. I had a customer call me yesterday complaining about his TPMS sensors on his tires in the car that I sold last week. So that Jeep Wrangler that I sold, if you watch the video with the Speedo and the cluster that I replaced, his TPMS monitors aren't working, and he went to the tire store and they told him it's my fault, so he called me complaining while I'm on vacation. Today I had a customer negotiating through text. Whatever, if it's gonna make me money, it's worth me doing. So I was responding through text. My wife gets annoyed about it. She doesn't like that I'm always on the phone while I'm on vacation, but it's got to be done. You know what? Someone's got to pay for this vacation somehow, right? I hope she didn't hear that. Nothing. Don't worry about it. So we got to be here on vacation while I have to work and get it all done. That's it. That's all my advice for today. I'm enjoying a lounge chair. I'm enjoying some margaritas. I'm enjoying a lovely lady in a bikini and a swim-up pool bar. All is good, and all is the benefit of owning a business, side hustle, business, whatever you want it to be. Save some money, work hard, grind hard, make some money, and enjoy yourselves on those off days. But remember, if you want it, you can get it. You just have to hustle. You just have to work hard. And then you can enjoy the perks and the fruits of your labor. See you later. Hey, listen, 2 things. If you're not subscribing already, make sure you subscribe down below. The other thing, if you're not following us on Instagram, make sure you follow us on Instagram at flying_wheels_. All is good. Car dealership life, business life, making money life. Everything's great today. See you later in the next video. Appreciate it always. See you later, guys.